I'ma get to back to show me mama
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluchi. So today I'm going to be doing the simple spring makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this, then keep on watching. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Davis eyebrow pencil and setting my eyelids with the L.A Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm taking this brown color just to deepen my crease. Then I'm going to use this orange color slightly above my crease just to give it that orangey effect. Then I'm going to be using a white eyeshadow just to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to be blending that out with a brush. Then I'm taking this burgundy color just at the outer corners of my eyes, blending it inwardly but slightly. And I'm just going to be alternating between all the colors I added earlier on to achieve what I want. To cut my eyelid, I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Pro Conceal. Put the concealer and look up before you cut. You know where your artificial eyelids are going to end at. Using a white translucent powder to set the cut crease. Then taking that same burgundy color, I'm just going to blend out the outer corners. Then I'm going to be using this shimmer color from the eyeshadow palette, spraying my brush just to get more pigment out of it. So now I'm using my liquid liner just to line my eyes. And I got these lashes from Airspun. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. So now I'm just priming, moisturizing my face, and I'm going to be using this nude Sunglow foundation all over my face as a base. And I'm using this L.A Girl Pro Conceal in orange to correct my dark spots, and I'm going to leave it to set for a while before I blend everything out. So for my foundation today, I'm mixing these two foundation, and I got the new Maybelline one. This is the first time I'm going to be using it, and it's kind of light. That is why I mixed it with my real foundation. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX concealer and the W7 concealer. I used the W7 first because it's kind of light, and I'm going to be using the NYX just outside it just to make it balanced. And before I set my concealer, I like to pat it with the damp beauty blender so that there will be no creasing. Then I set it with using the Airspun loose powder. Then I'm going to be using that same white powder to set all over my face To contour and bronze up my face, I'm using L.A Girl Ebony Bronzer. Using the Zaron lip pencil, I think it's in cappuccino, and after that I'm going to be applying the Milani lip gloss, spraying my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. And yes guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.